Di ba one of the biggest considerations mo sa pagtatayo ng negosyo kapital? So bakit bandang huli, laging last priority mo sa business ang accounting? Pansin niyo ba yon? A lot of people strive for capital para makapagsimula ng negosyo. Pero pag may negosyo na, organizing their financial records is the last thing that they will do. We put a lot of budget into advertising, marketing efforts, product development, operating expenses, pero sa accounting, okay lang. Saka na ako magsisystem, may pera pa naman. Having a proper system in place like Zero, One Accounting, or Zoho Books enables you to protect and manage your capital effectively. Tandaan, one of your first milestones sa negosyo ma-achieve yung ROI mo. And kung wala kang maayos na records kung anong nangyayari sa pera mo, paano mo malalaman kung gaano ka nakalapit o kalayo sa ROI na tinatarget mo? People who build businesses that have a clear accounting process are more sustainable than those who don't, and having a proper accounting system to support that is a big must. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.